Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to talk about an important step every Samsung Galaxy owner should take ASAP. In fact, you should take this step before August the 11th. Now, as you know, Samsung is about to release some industry-changing smartphones on August the 11th. They are going to be releasing the Samsung Galaxy Fold 3, which is going to be their premium foldable smartphone with dual 120Hz displays, and it's going to be S Pen compatible. Then they're also going to have the Samsung Galaxy Flip 3, which is going to have a smaller form factor, but of course with the latest processor and also 120Hz displays. So what Samsung is doing right now is they're allowing you to sign up for some incredible deals for these upcoming smartphones through a special reservation program. So what you want to do is you want to click the link down below in the top pinned comment or the description box, which is going to take you to Samsung's website, and simply give your name and your email to reserve these phones and get locked in to amazing deals that will be gone in a couple days. So here's what you're getting. First and foremost, if you're going to trade in a phone, they're going to give you super high enhanced trade-in values for your existing smartphone. On top of that, they're giving you extra $100 trade-in credit towards any phone. So for example, if you have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, you could get up to $850 for trade-in credit. Next up, they're giving you Samsung Care Plus for 12 months. So when you buy a new phone, that phone is going to be fully protected for 12 months. Normally they charge you $155 for this service, but with this reservation, it's going to be free. And finally, they do have a bunch of special gifts that they're going to add on to your deal if you decide to pre-order the phone when it's released on August the 11th. So all these amazing deals simply for giving your name and your email. So I think everybody should click the link. If you have not done so already, reserve the phone. If you buy the phone, you pay the cheapest prices, get the best deals. If you don't reserve and you buy the phone, you're going to end up paying more and get less perks. So for me, it's a no-brainer. And of course, if you don't end up buying the phone, you just move on. There's no obligation here. So that's what's going on. I wanted to make a last final video actually focusing on this. A lot of people don't reserve and they still get the phone, but they never get the best deal. When it comes to these kinds of deals, Samsung is better than any other manufacturer. Apple seldom gives you anything for free or a high trade-in value. Here Samsung is going above and beyond, giving you super high trade-in values and also free gifts that actually cost a lot of money. So the link's going to be down below. Click the link, do your reservation. Personally, I'm going to be getting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the Flip 3. Flip 3 for reviewing, but the Fold 3 is going to be my personal smartphone. From everything that has leaked so far in relation to these phones, it looks like it's going to be a great package. Latest processors, improved foldable screens, S Pen compatibility, water resistance. So I'm really excited and looking forward to these phones. Now, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below. Let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, all right?